Hi, so I'll be discussing the chapter 1 for CC05, the application development. So, application development or app development is the process of planning, designing, creating, testing, and deploying a software application to perform various business operations. So, it can be only done by massive organizations or with a large team working on projects or by a single freelancer developer. So, what are the benefits of developing applications? So, an app builder can help businesses build or strengthen their brand, giving them a competitive advantage in their industry. And some of the benefits of the application development are improved customer engagement. So the application provide businesses with an additional channel to engage with their customers. It allows customers to access products or service quickly, receives updates, and provide feedback. So next will be enhanced branding, and these apps help businesses to build and strengthen their brand by providing a platform to showcase their products or services and share their values and mission. So next will be high efficiency. Composable applications can also help businesses improve their internal operations, so allowing them to streamline processes, reduce costs, and improve productivity. So next would be data collection and analysis. So an app can provide businesses with valuable data on user behavior and preferences, so which can be used to improve marketing strategies and enhance customer experience. So number one would be planning and research. So the app's purpose must be clearly laid out to all parties in the planning stage. So the developers research hardware and software requirements, marketer studies and demand on the market, and businesses teams analyze competition and opportunities for growth, among other things. So second will be design and prototyping. Developers define a design to satisfy the requirements. They usually start on paper with draft sketches. Um, they can create wireframes to visualize the app's structure better and create a prototype to identify the potential problems. Next would be code development. So developers now write the code. The app needs to function as intended based on the iterations and um, initial testing. This stage has two types of development. First will be front end developer, development, the user side that includes UX and UI, and back end development, which is the server side. So number four would be testing and optimization. So the app undergoes formal testing with users to verify the functions and usability of the app and identify the user difficulties that may have been overlooked during prototyping. So the last one would be release and maintenance. Once testing is done, the app can undergo final production and be released. After deployment, the team needs to monitor the possible bugs or other issues that respond to them quickly. Changes and enhancements to the app can be done after release, so they must undergo strict testing control and to measure their effectiveness.